You know, the president threw down the Trump card this weekend, offering to massively reduce trade barriers if everyone else gets on board. Our next guest says if Trump gets his way, everybody benefits. Todd Horwitz, BubbaTrading.com chief market strategist and host of the Bubba Show, which I've been a guest on, is here. All right, Todd, it's good to have you here. What are the chances of that?
It's great to be here, Sean, and I think the chances are very good. I think that Donald Trump has shown that he is the ultimate deal maker, and he's going to hold out for what he thinks is fair for everybody. I think the one thing we can say about President Trump is he truly cares about America, and he truly cares about the way that we've been treated, and he's the first president I can remember since Reagan that had the guts to stand up to the other world leaders.
Is this strategy that is successful? I know it's the art of the deal, and I mean, they're playing, let's just call it hardball. That's what it is, especially as Trump, gets on a plane and starts tweeting away at Justin Trudeau in particular. I mean, and then the language from his advisors on the Sunday shows. I mean, pretty harsh stuff. Do you think that's the right way to go?
Well, I think that's his way. Now, whether it's right or not, I mean, that we'll see how it plays out when it's all said and done. But I think it will play out to the advantage of the Americans. I think it will play out to the advantage of the United States. So I think that, is it the exact way that I would do it? Maybe not. But I think that he's learned and he's done things so well that I'm not going to get in his way, because I think he's got us on the right track and he's got the country on the right track.
Well, I mean, look, nobody's gotten more press lately than the dairy farmers, talking about a 270% tariff on them when it comes to Canada. But we have a trade surplus with Canada, Todd. That's issue number one. And number two, if we do get this tit for tat going with the Europeans and with NAFTA and the Mexicans and the Canadians, what does that mean for the markets, for traders, for people that own shares in these companies that are going to take a hit?
Well, first of all, look at the markets now. The markets are telling you, the commodity markets and the equity markets are saying, hey, there's really not a problem. We're sure there's going to be a deal worked out. Remember, everybody needs us more than we need everybody else. Although it's nice to have everybody together and work it all out, we are still the kingpin here and have the most amount of power. And what we've done is, over the years, we've let that power slide by and given it up, and at the same time giving away lots of money. I think that Trump recognized that, and he says, okay, I want to bring the money back in, and I want to get a fair and equal property trading. And I think that's what we're going to see. But the markets are telling you that they're not worried about what's going on. From the grain markets to the meat markets to the equity markets,
the Dow
every market
telling
is
me
higher
right
than it
now
was
that
when
there's
this
a
whole
problem. The
stuff
Dow
started.
is falling. We're almost right now, frankly, Todd, and thank you, we're looking at a Dow that just fell, like, we're up at 86 points. Now we're barely up a fraction.